How to update the Bumble app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. If you're having some issues in the Bumble app and you want to update this app, what you can do is you can head over to your Play Store or the App Store if you're using iPhone. On your store, tap on the search bar and search for Bumble. You will see the Bumble app appear in the result. Tap on it. Once you're in this app space, over here instead of this open button, you will see the update button if there is an update available for Bumble app. So you can simply tap on the update button and the app will begin updating. All the new features will be updated in the app, and if you're having the issues, it might get fixed too. So that's a very simple process in order to update the Bumble dating app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.